They up on a little farm, a pear weed up on the farm, you see me? But we not really trouble them. I make them weed stay up on the farm, you see me? Because here right now, them weed now. I make them stay because I plan to do now. I plan
Family TV, your TV, my TV, ours.
WW family worldwide. Wagwan, big up on yourself, you know what you're doing. We're there, you know, we're there up on the farm. We're there up on a little farm, a pear weed up on the farm, you see me? But me not really trouble them. I make them weed stay up on the farm, you see me? Because here right now, them weed now. I make them stay because I plan for do now. I plan for line up 2 goat. And let them go over here, so. You see me? So the whole over here so around my backyard. So you see a whole heap of weed up on the backyard now, if you notice, you can see pear weed up on the backyard right now, you see me? So it would there and I look on it because Ryan I say like I want to raise 2 goat. Yeah? So what I'm going to do, I want to fix back the fence because you see the fence right there, so it mash out, so I plant back the post and I want to run out some iron now. But I want some material, some zinc and some things, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull along the shed there where the right there, so. You see me? And use and get some zinc off right now so I can use it back for blackout right there so now. You see me? And black out the fence now and then now. I must line up and I could have get a goat for about 15 grand so. So I see if I can buy one first and then buy one more after. You know? But me just get 2 she. I wouldn't get no ram, me just get 2 she one. You know? And if I could get one of them pregnant, like get a young one. And get one of them we're kind of older, we're pregnant. Let them go over here because I don't really want them enough up neither for semi raising a whole pile of goat. I just want to have some goat over here where I have kid and a ear time. I have all a ram goat or 2, you know, where I can kill and I can give some people all some meat same way, you know. Like some little near people around here, some people, you know, say really mean good for you, you know, and them little way there. Yeah, you can one goat and you say you kill a goat or you kill 2 and you sell 1. And you chop up the next one and have for yourself and some of your people them and them thing there. You can make them get all a piece of goat sometime during the year. See? So if I pray now and I say alright now, me da plan to plant some banana and some papaya and some planting over here. But me nah bother do that. I make it stay and go and bush up and then now down in the weekend now I say I can get some time now and pull down part of the shed there. Pull down part of the shed there right there so now. You see me? You can see the shed, the tree in the way. The shed right down there so. Pull down part of the shed there. You see me? And then use the zinc them I find now to make the to fix back the fence there and then now I just build back a fence from the post there now. Build back a fence from the post, go across and block off back this and put block off this, so put a gate back down this now. When we can give them water source. So you know, so the first 2 goats when I leg over here. You know, I have no feeding for them for a while. I just water and them just go and grow and them thing then you check on them and make sure say them safe and alright. You understand? And make it go and do. So I me there and I go and look on them and say, "Chow me, I make you know what I go on and see what I go on to car." You know say una my family, I have to make you know what I go on because at the same time I can't leave out or nothing. Una have to unite because una help and make it work to you know. Una help and put a change to my life. Because una subscribe to my YouTube channel. Una watch my YouTube channel and I like it and them thing there. You see me? Make you look and you can all get all one little revenue. That means say una watch ads and them thing there. You see me? So you have to know so una put in a little support and them little way there. So you have to try to take the little support you want to give and try to turn it. You understand? I may have some other little project I deal with, but I'm going to put that on pause. You understand? And see if I can and get that project more going for the Christmas now. Fix the fence. See if I can get 2 goats tonight by Christmas. You see me? You know, some good get a goat for about 15,000 or more. I don't know. I check it out and say okay, about a 2 she goat I'll get. Say I and get a ram for even jump one of them or jump them. And when them have kid now, when my kid they grow up and you can sell 2 goat, then you can sell goat and buy back a ram goat. Because you know want the ram goat where grow up, come back, come jump back the mother and them look away there. You understand? That mash up the thing. So you want a different breed of goat. A goat where come from a different she goat for be the breeder. You understand? And you just go and breed up some goat and can have some goat a year time you can sell 1 and 2 goat. Same way. See me Rushmore can order 1 goat. Same way. And I go and put in the thing so it's a little extra that you can end up making in your pocket a year time. And you know for raise the goat they make me not take no more pressure. You understand? Because I just give them some bush. And you can buy a bag of feed and you give them mix it with the bag feed and give them same way. I have my little ride where I can drop down the seat and go up on the hillside and cut nice the water grass them or cane grass them and come give them when them done eat out over here. But you know say a whole heap of eat them have to eat first before over here so eat out. If I just 2 of them alone, cause a whole heap of grass up on the ground. See? Plus them little tree where them go crop down and broke down and them thing there. See a next nice patch of grass around there. So the only thing now maybe I have to go move now because I see a root of fever grass grow up there. So see it how I look for it. Smell nice from here, so you come here and smell it. See? So we have a patch of fever grass now we are grow this so now. Where we now go on them kill it. You understand? We don't want them kill the fever grass, so I have to go try root out it and plant it over the side there. Yeah man, but over here so I be my little goat pen man. So we have a pumpkin tree around here so it not start bear yet. But you know when the goat them come them I go trample it. See? So I eat this man. See it a whole pa bush this them have to eat. You see it? Whole heap of bush. Them can't done it man. For a good while you don't have to give them nothing. And then over here so same way you have more bush. Now go left back that little shed the same way. Where them can't go on if rain or fall. You see me? But this one now with the right here so now I go pull down that to get the zinc them on it and just make over here so just big and open. So I can block out right here so back with them zinc there. You know? To catch it back. My yard, see my yard there so now. My yard gone straight back up there so you can see the gate up there so. You know what I see? You know if you not see now. The yard that gone straight back up there so you see me? So that my mother house at the front there so my house up at the top there so. And then the yard come straight back down. Come down at the wall here. We give the church over here so cause through them go on with some little pick the thing more time. Summer school and something them never have no space and thing. So you just give them the little part, they make them black out with spice to the wall, they go right there so them can put them chair and something and accommodate the youth them cause the church space small, you know? So you don't know the vibes. Yeah, so basically a that. The project with upon, you know? But I not do no work today. But when I do the work now, I can forward same way and go and update pan what I go on same way, you see me? When I line up pull down them there, maybe down at the weekend at today hour, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so maybe like a Saturday and Sunday now. Maybe can take some time and do some work. I don't 100% sure it's Saturday, but sure it's a Sunday I can do some work. You understand? Yeah. Sunday I can do some work, surely. Block off back the fence here. And then now, all the money that come in now, I just use it now and just, if it can buy 2 goat, I buy 2 goat. If it can't buy 2, I just buy 1 and the next time, I buy the next one. And let them go over here and let them go and put a pan around there so with them water and set up them water thing where, you see me? Them have water in abundance to drink. And them have food in abundance. By the time them for breed up and clear out over here, I can start go on the hillside and go cut cane grass and them thing there for them. Same way, see me? Yeah man. So we are going and do it same way, you know, right as in Kingston, Jamaica, you know. You see me? We have all a whole heap of herbal bush in the yard, yeah, man. One idea through sometime them music and them thing. If I go up on the front now, I get some disturbance because being nice. People don't make sure do football and everybody have them things turn up high, you know what I mean? So it's confusing. So I'm up on the back here and I cool out and I ease the back out of the whole pan nice, you know, the surrounding. You understand? And I go and hold a little vibes, one away. Yeah man, I just like that man. Just like that. Rastafari. So I'm there promise pan there man. Nah, going away. Bring it down to my level. I'm not going to live on the same level phone, so I'll go and take speed. Yeah man, and then you know, yes, I can be a little cool out spot where sometimes I come cool out when I don't have nothing to do. I just come cool out right, yes, the same place, yes, sir. At the fence side, yes, and go and watch me go with them. You see me? Yeah. But I don't want the normal little common goat them. You see me want some of them goat them, so the big ears goat them where them ears drop down. So I know so them goat are kinda expensive. But I want me two of them goat them I go look. I can't buy two, I buy one and buy him young, you know? And go and watch him grow. And then now I carry him now go make a ram goat jump him. You know? And get him pregnant. And go and get some kid. When them grow up and them thing they can sell back a goat or so. And buy back another goat now. For the breeder, so you don't have to carry out your goat to a person goat again. But you have to start somewhere first. You know? And you can sometime in a life too, you know, say you can start it in all independent way too. You just buy two small goats from somebody, but you make sure say the two of them now come from the same parent. You see me? Two of them now come from the same she goat. And you just get a pair of them, a ram goat and a she goat, and get them young, make them go and grow. When them grow as girlfriend and boyfriend, them do them thing, kids start born. You understand? When kids start born now, you know say you have to get the next ram goat now. Again. Because him now can jump back feme kid them. So when feme kid them forgot to no goat, you have to have a next goat. But I saw the goat thing because you want to keep the breeding, you know, want to breed. Once you mix, you make the family go to family, then it break down the thing and make the goat them start get wishy-washy and malnourished and them thing there, you know what I mean? Be a footballer go on. I'm not too up on the football thing. I'm more up on right now different prints I'm up on in life, you understand? Because right now I go all up at the school. Yesterday I go up at Raheem school. Up in school where you go interact with the teacher them and you go to each subject teacher and them thing there. I mean I tell you it not take no time. Every teacher, every class you go in and you go into them and say, why daddy? I don't really have nothing to say about him that much, you know. So just make a go to him registration how much time him absent from school and him grades. Cause him nah behave bad, you see me? Only three of them have a problem with him. And I not really problem. Them I say, despite our youth we can do him work to the maximum, him not ram for chat. So one of them I say to him say, to the level where you move, man, I know you love talk. Where you plan to become? And by the time she say a lawyer, he must say it to her friend, a baby, he must say that, you know. You see me? Because a boy we have a good brains, you know. Because his brother start teach him primary school work from before him start a basic school. You get me? So from before him start a basic school, his brother teach him to spell words and his brother do him homework, him dead with him and them things. They say come like it do something to him brains to make him brains to the book him brains a certain way. So him find out says a man where if him all try say him a fire a slingshot, him like him baff-handed. Or if him for nail something or him for chop something. You see me, but when it come on to him book, master man, the man not study, but yet him a tapping in him class. Or when he has to study, he must say why him for study, he can't study something we already know. From the teacher put the work on the board, him know it. So from him do it, him now have to study it again. And me nobody cuss him when I trouble him. From him I go primary school, that's how him stay. And him tell me say him a pass for Calabar, and when the exam time come, him do him thing and him pass for Calabar, as him say. You know what I mean? And him come and go high school through every grade at the same thing. Him no give problem. Them have a little talking problem with him because he's no ram for talk. You know what I mean? But he's a man who just play him game, man. So you know go school and just so you just relax now and just play a game the whole day, right? You remember say you have the thing that I use this morning, nothing in there. But anything, the two few things when I think we use this morning, you know them for wash up. Right? So you know say after a while you gotta take a break from the game and deal with it. Because you can't just lie there and play a game the whole day. Eh? Make me look on and tell you again, yeah? Because so you expect to live. See your tablet there so if you study, you put rug there so you know want to take the chair arm and pillar there so lie down and cock up foot. Okay. Okay. So you expect to live, right? Answer! I'm playing a game, yeah. I'm looking at a book now and then I'm playing game, man. But when I tell you say I'm bright like bulb, man. You see me? I'm bright like bulb. All the mother of college not bright like him right now. Yeah, man, top of them class. The teacher said them give where should she introduce the cape to them. A cape it name? The exam where them pitney they take now. A cape or C-sec. I don't remember what she said it name, you know. But of them, she said she introduce it to them. It's bigger than CXC. And she said when she give them the work, a 93 Raheem get out of 100. And remember something was bigger than them in a college thing that in our 11th grade thing, you know. She introduce it to them from 10th grade. 93 Raheem get. You understand? So you find out so the youth brain, it's good. So him now I say boy, he want more activities, he want to do more activities like chop things and raise all goat and fowl and he want to do more of them, he want to do more activity. You understand? Because him find out say him too bright, but him not active with hammer, say man fire slingshot. Him old, you know, buff-handed so. More time me and him there in the yard and I go and draw a slingshot and I shoot bird and them look away there. You know? And him take the machete and chop down 2 3 and I go and get active. So I get the goat them now over here now. And me and him I deal with the goat them and them look away there. Because I'm like a soldier and the next one turn man now, you know, so you know, so when them turn man, a different thing them depend. And since me never get forget no whole heap of Romeo because me always have to work and I try to make sure say me have money to make them can go school because hand to mouth. So you don't have time to take break when you hand to mouth. You have to just always make sure say yeah do something to make sure say something come in. You know what I mean? But since it a work out to a level now God kinda change up your life and make you can have a little time with your family, then you have to try use it up. So more use up the time God give me now if you can spend with them now more. So we have a goat, you know, so when Romeo no go work and him no go class and them thing then we dey over here and three we dey over here go and look on the goat them and them a go and grow up and get no fun. We are all the vibes, you know. Treat the hard way. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So that's how we are do it at them vibes them want Ben still all them grow up and I get to spend a whole part time there with them. But they around them but I not get to spend a father son time there with them. Because I always have to work, you know. I get up early in the morning and go open shop. You know, lock shop till 12, but when you lock shop in the night and you open shop from Sunday to Sunday, you have to open it to sell a bread, you know. So you find out, say, you don't have the time for yourself, and then now when time it look like you can turn something out tight, people are like say you make a bag of money and start to come with bad mind and corruption and all kind of things and them things there. You see me? You understand? But we just love out certain things and nobody with nothing where bring problem. You understand? I don't know nothing where we really say we love. We say we are lose something. You see me? So we just love it out and the problem stop. You understand? Yeah. So you just love it out and just go and say, alright, me suffer then. Since people feel like say them want to see me suffer. Me suffer and show them say I can suffer. But me not mad. You see me? And I can't suffer because here why? Can't suffer at all. After my mother and my pit out, no have no white squall. Can't suffer at all, none at all, at all, at all. Can't suffer at all, none at all, yo. Like them no sister that the most I him check for me. And that's why me never fall in the trap where them a set for me. Food a fi eat and we not stall. So dirty nigga can't get no chance to laugh. From I've been small, I've been a learn. And we don't know about no suffering. No, no, can't suffer at all. None at all, at all, at all. Can't suffer at all, none at all, yo. A Bamboo City, El Tribe, Addis Ababa, Armageddon, yo. Cause I was born in a system that doesn't give up about me, nor you, nor the life of our kids. Yo, bad, we bad, out and bad. You see me? We get the goat farm up, so you know, it's a mad thing. We only got 2 goats. I don't bother do it that way there now. You know, say the right way that I do it. Do it more independently. Don't make when you go reach now, you have to go around and big people and want a ram goat for jump your goat. Either you get a goat with pregnant, or you buy a little ram goat and a little she goat and come let them go in your place. And that way they know you just do your thing. You see me? Yeah, if you'd have 2 she, then you know them will breed up more faster. You know? But God never take one day and build earth. So you just get 1 ram, 1 she, let them go in a place and just make them free and just eat, and when them ready to start jump on one another, them do them thing. And goat they start farm and goat start bomb up now over the part, and now the next part I'm show you now. You don't make over this be the case now for the ram them, because you want control the breeding process. So you put a ram to a she, whatever ram you want to put to whatever she, so you do it. And go on, say, oh, over this for the ram them and the she them and the kid them now. Lego in a big party now. No fuck. You see me? And you go and grow your goat them a year time. You kill goat and sell, and you have a 1 goat where you pick out where you say, alright, this is for your family. You get me? So you kill all the goat now and you chop him up and you put him in a some bag like even some 2 pound or so. You see me? And you give some little people around in your surrounding where you know, so when you used to do all the shop and them things that them people are left from way just to come support you, because them want you to eat food. So them people where you know so want you to eat food, people come on your shop lock and not open it, and them stand up and wait until you come and open it, then them cuss. And say, you know, long me stand up out and you have other shop there down the road where them could have go down to go buy. You see them people me know say, want me if you have something I want to see something on me. So it's when me have something, them people me want to share with. You see me? So I want to goat them and them things I can kill a goat and I can give some people. Me know them. You see me? Them they all over in a mountain view. Me know them. Yeah. People them always make sure some thing go on. No phone not supposed to watch this right now too. I know that. See? And if you not watch this right now, you just put a smiley face in the comment section. You understand? I make them know. Because I love when you not watch it too, so you know. Say, me always think about it too. Same way. You understand? So I know no phone I said to me, say, well, you now open up back shop, you now open up back shop. No. No open up back shop. I can't bother with the problem. All of my life I try to chop and be a problem it give me. You understand? When a war come and everything break down and them thing there and war done, you get the money, put it back together, something else. When I know one thing or the other. When I know the weed or the grabber. I can't bother with them problems. I want something where if I do it and say war if I flip up now or anything for happen, I can move and go anywhere with it and still I do it. You get me? So a different thing I want deal with now. You see me, I want deal with things outside. You understand? Yeah, I don't want nothing for give me no problem right now. I get whole in a man. See? And you try to achieve and have something for yourself and people try to give you a peer problem. You know what I mean? You have to walk away from them things and allow them things and try to avoid people. You understand? Some of us go and kick back on there. That's why I want to go with them now. To get them on the go now over here so now. You see me? Some more time I come kick back over your car. I'm me alone in the dark room. I no want nobody to talk to. I just me, myself and my subscribers. viewers. Yo, YouTube family, you know, big up on yourself, you know. Remember, you know, anyone on, you know, we are watching a video right now, you know. I want to like the video yet, you know, like it. If you don't subscribe to the thing yet, you want to subscribe to the movement. You see me? And we are talking about greatness. You understand? I want to subscribe to greatness. You know what I mean? So I could do the thing. Because you know, say this is your TV. This is our TV. Wayne Family TV. You know what I mean? Yes, man. A true man.
Wayne Family TV, your TV, my TV, our TV.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where